honey, I had a pickup for Anna. Thank you so much. It's December 1st, which means we are now legally allowed to listen to Christmas music.
All your holiday favorites all season long right here on Christmas K-Wave 96.9.
Welcome to my office, aka my dad's office, aka my old bedroom, aka the box storage room. This room has seen better days, but it's the one place on the property that like hasn't been given a spruce during quarantine. Our backyard, my parents completely redid. The studio that used to be my grandma's house before she passed away has been completely renovated. I'll show you later today. It looks amazing, but like furniture from up here is there, and this has just basically become storage. But I've also been using it as my office, which has been awesome, because the first 6 months of quarantine, Donnie and I spent dodging each other in our like 900 square foot apartment. So we're both really grateful to have space these days. We stay at his mom's house. He works at his dad's house during the day, and I work at my parents' house. So we get ample space to ourselves, which is really nice. So yeah, I come here to work every day. My parents don't consider me part of their bubble, so I wear masks around them, so you'll notice me doing that. I just wanted to give you guys the COVID disclaimer. I have like a core group of a couple couples that we spend time with. So like Leah and her husband Daniel, who I saw on Sunday, they're in our bubble. Our friends Sage and Gavin, whose house we're gonna go to tonight for The Bachelor, they're in our bubble. And then they have like a couple other friends who by extension we sort of consider in our bubble, who we don't hang out with that often, but when we do, they're basically an extension of our bubble because they see Leah, Daniel, Gavin, and Sage so often, if that makes sense. But my parents are older, which I completely understand. So when I'm here, if I'm downstairs, I'll wear a mask, they'll wear masks. If I'm upstairs, this is my space, so I don't have to wear a mask, and they don't really come up here anyway. And then if we want to eat together, we'll just eat outside. Like I said, they completely redid the backyard, so it has great outdoor living space. We spend a lot of time out there, even though it's a little bit chilly these days. And that's how we're keeping everyone safe. So you'll see, yeah, the same few people throughout Vlogmas, but that's because it's COVID. But yeah, I'm excited to introduce you to everyone that we've been hanging out with now that we're down in Santa Cruz. It is like a different friend group, obviously, than I have in SF. So yeah, we've all gotten really close over the last few months since we've been down here, and it's just been so much fun. So yeah, that's about it. I gotta get to work. I did treat myself this morning. I got avocado toast with a poached egg and a latte from Verve. So I'm about to dig in. What's up, guys? It's like 2:40. I just now got a chance to eat lunch. My hair never got done today, clearly, and my bun is starting to slip. It has just been like a crazy day. Just like, this is just how the last like 2 months have been. Someone just commented on my video being like, why don't you post more? Because my job is taking over my life right now, which isn't a bad thing because it's all like exciting and good stuff. Oh, the camera's slipping. Part of the reason why I'm like stressed is because I really want to go watch The Bachelorette tonight, which is like me just imposing excess stress on my life. But like, if I can finish by 9 p.m. tonight, I can go watch The Bachelor with friends, and that would be so fun. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna get back to work and hopefully see you guys in like 3 hours for another check-in. Maybe I'll go get some fresh air and check in on my dad, who's working on the studio, which is just looking so good. And I can't believe I've never showed a video before, but it is looking amazing. It's almost 5. It's starting to get dark outside already, which is just crazy, but I thought I would take a quick sec and show you the studio that my dad's working on because I need a little break from work, and yeah, I need a little break from work. So let's go and see. Hello.
Hi.
Here is the studio in progress. What are you working on today, Dad?
I put up the trim around the doors.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I hadn't even noticed. So this just got added. This and that.
And I put the support for the shelf in the closet.
Nice. Whoop.
And I had put this trim on after I compensated for the offness of the wall. So the trim's on both sides, inside and out here.
Nice. Looks so.
Inside of the closet. So the last thing is to take the curtain rod down and put the head casing on.
Oh yeah.
And then I can start doing the baseboard.
Oh my gosh, we're so close to being done. And then you just have to paint the doors and paint the, what do you just hang up? What are they called? Frames?
Paint the casing.
All I want to do is set up a little filming spot right there in front of a Christmas tree.
Okay.
That's where the Christmas tree is going to go.
Okay.
And they're going to get a cute little stove, but it's not coming until January, and that'll replace this old thing.
Yep.
And this is it. So here's a once over. Can't wait to see it done. 6:20, still in the same spot. But dinner's here. I'm very excited. We got burgers tonight from my favorite place, Betty's Burgers here in Santa Cruz. Honestly, their burgers are mediocre, but their french fries are so good. So I'm really excited to go eat. Got an incredibly stylish look for this outdoor dining experience. Got my blanket. And I didn't get to show you the backyard in the light, but tomorrow I will. Look how cute it is. Hello. Hello. Guys, I did it. It's 9:09 p.m. I'm now 9 minutes late and gonna be like 20 minutes late to the Bachelorette, but whatever. I feel like I've put in enough work that I can take a couple-hour break and then just finish everything up at like 11 o'clock tonight. So I am gonna go and get my things and go over to Sage's and watch The Bachelor. Oh, dude.
Oh, good.
Dude.
Take this.
Happy birthday, Sage! YouTube meet Sage! Because they never met Sage. They met Gavin, though. And legal. Mama Leah. That is a big shot. Woo!